What's up, everyone? Welcome to another unboxing of another great action figure from BWFC or Banpresto World Figure. The tail is divided into two parts. This one is the thing attached to its body, and the other one, this purple color, is the extended part. It's assemble time, and let's put them all together. Guys, I didn't bother setting up the support stand because I can see that Frieza can stand on his own, mainly on the base. Guys, behold, I present to you Frieza. Planning and sculpting something like this would take years to make, and we should give credit to the artist who made this figure because he's done an excellent job. The figure is very well detailed from head to foot down to its tail, and it has a very admirable pose. So guys, what do you think of this figure? Put your comments below and share your thoughts. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that is Ezek's Figure. You can also like and share my videos, and please hit the notification bell for more art sessions and unboxing videos. And I would like to say thank you to Shupa Toy Supply for this awesome action figure. It's a toy shop based here in Manila, Philippines. You can check them out at their Facebook page. Just type Shupa Toy Supply and you're on. There are loads of action figures waiting for you to see. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video.